Hi, my name is Colin Watley. I'm here with 7th Generation Plumbing. We're planting a tree for Jeff. He got our first solar hot water heater installed. We're really excited about it. It's a great product, and we install a tree with every solar hot water heater. So come learn about it a little bit and check it out with us. This up here is how the water begins to be heated. This is a solar collector plate. The way it works is it heats a small amount of fluid up to about 180, 200, 230 degrees, and then actually works through the tank and heats the water there. That's the water that you use in your home. This here is the standard size plate collector. It's 4 feet by 8 feet, and it's pointed southwesterly direction, so it can catch the most rays of the sun. Up here we've got some of our other products. This right here is a Solitube. We install these. They provide natural lighting inside of the home. It's an alternative to putting another window in, knocking down a wall. You can have a nice light fixture looking unit that lights up whenever the sun's out. And then this over here, this helps vent the attic. It moves 830 cubic feet of air a minute, greatly reducing the temperature in the attic. A lot of our customers reported cooler water in the summer. It sounds kind of strange, but their cold water lines are actually run through the attic, and they could never get cold water in the summer. So now that we've put one of these in, they're noticing a large difference even in the temperature of the water, let alone the temperature of the overall attic. And it qualifies for 55% back in federal and state tax credits.
This is an 80-gallon solar storage tank. It's basically just like a water heater. And it even has a backup element inside in case the solar system can't actually heat the water up enough to supply the home, but that's almost never going to happen, particularly down here in Phoenix, Arizona. This is a tempering valve that controls the temperature of the water going into the home and keeps it at anywhere between 110 to 120 degrees, whatever the homeowner likes to set it at. And what this does is this actually mixes cold water into the hot water line that goes into the home. Because the system's so efficient, it will actually heat the water up so that it's so hot we can't pipe it into the home. So we have to mix cold water in before it goes in. You've got two different thermometers that just show the temperature from the hot water line coming off the collector on the roof and the temperature coming into the tank. And down here is the recirculation pump. This is what actually pumps the water up to the collector and then forces the hot water that comes out of the collector back down into the tank, where the heat is transferred into the water that gets used in the home. This is the computer module that controls everything, shows you the temperature of the water in the tanks. Like right now it's at 121 degrees, and you can program it in different ways. Particularly you can put it on a vacation mode so that if you're gone, it'll just cycle enough to maintain the system, but it's not going to use as much energy to run the pump because it doesn't need to.
You know what, man, 7th Generation Plumbing, they're the go-to guys. That's the only place to get your plumbing done. These guys will take care of you. That's it. There's no questions asked.